Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now, over the next few days, I'm going to be giving away free training on how to set up my white label apps. Now, I've had lots and lots of questions regarding setting up the payment integration. A lot of people are confused, so I wanted to do a couple of videos showing WarriorPlus, JVZoo, and then I also wanted to do a last video all about maximizing sales. So, first one is all about WarriorPlus. But before I get onto the training, what I want to do as well is give away 3 brand new white label apps. Never ever been out before. These have just literally been coded. They're very simple apps, but you can sell them, maybe for a few dollars, maybe $10, something like that. But what I'm going to do on this video, I'm going to show you the apps. So each day I'll show you the different app. I'll show you how to set up that app on, like, for example, today I'm going to show WarriorPlus. Next one I'll show JVZoo. And then last day I'll show you how to maximize the sales on the third app and the other 2 as well. Okay, so I hope that's good. Now, to get your free app, just come down to the bottom of this page, opt in. You only need to opt in once. Now, over the next few days, I'll be sending out 3 of these pages. Don't need to opt into every page, because once you've opted in, you'll be in the follow-up and you'll get the apps and the training automatically. So only opt in once, and then I think the first one comes out the 5th, the next one the 7th, and the next one the 9th. So 3 days over the next 6 days. Okay, so hope that's good. So let's get looking at the first app. The first app is Email Revive. It's an email rewriter. As I said, simple tool. It's got full membership area. It's got connections to WarriorPlus, JVZoo, as I'll show you in a minute. And let me show you inside the app. So this is the app. So you add in your email and then you rewrite it with the tool. Let me find an email. I will I'll use this one. Just copy it. Oops. I'll copy this email. Go back over here. I'll paste it in. Then you can rewrite it in, formal, tone, persuasive, casual. So I'll just go casual, click rewrite email, and it'll rewrite that email for me. So let's see what it does. Okay. So it's redone that in a casual tone. Okay. So use as a new input or copy that there. Now, as I said, you get white label to app. So you'll see that once you opt in, I'll send you an email. You get the install docs, you get the source code to it so you can install it. You can give it away for free if you want access to it for free, and you can sell it, whichever one you want. Okay? And because you've got the source code, you can also add on to it as well if you wish. So let me jump over here. Now this here is the admin area. Every single one of these apps has an admin area. So what does that mean? It means you can pick up emails. So every sale you make, you can build a buyer's list. So let's say you wanted to sell this at something simple like $7, $5, something like that, whatever. You can sell it for that, collect the email, build a buyer's list. Okay, and it has AR integrations. You've got lots of integrations here, plus it has webinar integrations as well. And you can see lead capture here. So you can see lead capture, so you can add to an autoresponder. So every buyer who purchases automatically added to the autoresponder. You can also add to Zapier, any other web hooks, and add to a webinar as well. But what we're going to be talking about today is this here, which is a WarriorPlus secret key. And this here, which is the IPN. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to show you how this sets up. So I'm going to jump over to WarriorPlus. I'm going to create a new offer. So I'll just call this Email Revive. Description, Email Rewriter. Obviously, the more information you put here, the better it is. So I'll put something here, Email Marketing. For keywords, I'll use Artificial Intelligence. I'll put another one of email marketing. Put another one for email as well. Let's have a look. Email affiliate marketing. So sales page, I haven't got a sales page as yet. because I haven't created one, but I'll just put one in. This is where you would add the sales page there. Then everything else as is. Click create. That can stay as is. Click create. Then what you need to do is add product. So add the product. Click new product. So here we'll call this email revive. And then we'll put in the category. So we'll put a category of email marketing. Keywords again, artificial intelligence. Again, email marketing and email marketing, affiliate marketing. Content type, it's a software online because it's a SaaS type product, so it's online. So product access. Now this is where this part of the admin comes in. And again, it tells you, once you download the tutorials, it'll show you how to get into the admin for this. Okay, so come back over here. We go here to this where it says thank you page. So you can see that where it says thank you. You copy that, come back over here, oops, to the product, not to the offer. Then we paste that in there, which is the access URL. For admin access, I'm just going to put not available at the moment. Okay, so that's where you want people to go when they're purchased. Okay, so type of product, personal use, refund period, I like 30 days, but obviously you choose what you want. Support email, I'll just put mine in here. I'll not put a support URL in for now. Product status, open, available for sale. Ownership, I'm the original owner and exclusive owner of this product. So no, this doesn't contain AI generated content. I certify that I have legal rights to sell this. So let's say regular price of this is, let's say, $47. Your sale price, let's say it's $5. Nice simple sale, build your buyers list. Okay, we'll switch Stripe on for this. Then we'll come down here. And what we need to do is we need to look at the custom integration. Okay, so custom integration advanced, make sure that's switched on like that. This here where it says notification URL. So we'll come back over here to the members area and we get this one here that says WarriorPlus. So we copy this, come back over here to WarriorPlus, we paste that in there. And then we come down and we hit save. You'll see that's saved. Then we go back over here to the offer, add the product, go to email revive, hit save, product set up, ready to go. Then you just need to submit your request or activate your offer. Now the next thing you need to do is you need your WarriorPlus secret key. So your WarriorPlus secret key goes here. Then once you've got it, you hit save settings. Now I'm going to show you exactly where to get it. Can't show you the key, obviously, for obvious reasons. It's my secret key. So we'll jump back over here. So come over to your profile drop down, should I say. Go to my account. So you can see my account there. Click that. Then what you do is you scroll down to secret key. Click security key, sorry, not secret key. Click security key, copy that key, you come back over here, paste that key in there, hit save settings, and it's good to take payment. Now what happens, rather than being sent onto a register page or anything like that, anyone who purchases via your WarriorPlus button, they will automatically be sent their username and password. Okay, so it'll go to the thank you page. That thank you page we added in there. Anyone who pays will go to that thank you page and it will say on there, you know, please check your email. We've sent your email and your password. And they will use that email and password to log in to your copy of your email, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so what that does, it creates automatically your username, your password, and it builds you a buyer's list as well. Okay, so that's how you set up WarriorPlus with any of our reseller tools. Any that have this admin area, you can create automatically the username and password. You can automatically build a buyers list. Everything there, good to go. Now, as I said, check your email if you've opted in. You will get free access to 3 tools over the next 6 days. So there's going to be 3 separate pages. If you opt in, you don't need to opt in again, because I'll automatically send you those follow-ups and other tools. Okay, so make sure that you watch out for those. As I said, next training coming on the 7th of August, so watch out for that. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.